Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to regain access to a lost account on Likee. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Likee application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Likee if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. We have the bottom screen where we have 5 options. We have your profile, we have messages, we have the plus button in the middle where you can of course go and check out to put your own content. We have the explore, and at the end we have the for you page. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and regain access to a lost account on Likee. So basically how you can do it, you have to have done already a step, which is securing your number via your phone number. So if you lose access, you can get a unique code on your phone number, and then you can go and regain your password. You can also do it via email. If you have a trusted email that you put in, you can also go and do it like that. So you can reset your password by your email or your phone number, of course, whichever of those you chose. Or of course, in the end, you can go and ask the customer service what's happening and can they help you regain access to your account. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.